those. And Steve, yeah, it definitely would be necessary today, or maybe a trip to the coast too. Does it feel nicer out there?
It's much nicer out there.
Yeah.
One thing I want to say about the pools, always kind of makes me a little bit sad when we get to the end of summer.
I know.
The unofficial end of summer, they start closing those down. But boy, it was a hot one. Record hottest July on record. And August was right up there as well. Yep, I look at Seaside and look at that. That's the beginning of Tillamook Head if we were to have this camera zoomed out a little bit. You can even see the smoke there, and that's only a couple of miles. Government camp, smoky skies. You see the mountain there on the left. The AQI up there, 155. That's in the unhealthy category. Already 83 degrees up there. And our 13 coins, a camera down at Hotel Indigo. You see all the smoke off to the south and east. Warm and muggy, 83 degrees. 83 here in downtown Portland. You see the smoky skies in the foreground there. Humidity 36% and the dew point's 53. So just a little bit muggy out there. We'll bring that dew point level down as we go into the afternoon hours. But boy, we are really going to crank up the heat. One more time again today before we start to back things off slightly on Saturday, slightly more on Sunday. We'll get to that in a minute. A couple 83s there at Portland and Vancouver. If you're looking for relief, head to the coastline. A lot of fog and low clouds are after being in the upper 80s on the northern Oregon coast the last couple of days, just in the 60s now. And of course, central and eastern Oregon, all over the map there from the 70s to the lower 90s. I want to talk real quickly about yesterday. That 102 set yesterday in 2024, we have never been that warm this late in the month of September. That 105 happened on the first few days, well, either the 1st or 2nd of September, 1988, along with that 44 as well. So, and that's only the third time we've hit 100 or above in the month of September, and those records go back to about 1940 at the Portland International Airport. All the red, that is an excessive heat warning. Afternoon temperatures upper 90s to near 100. So be careful, stay inside. This runs through 10 p.m. tonight. Drink lots of liquid. Please check on the elderly and your pets as well. Now, other than that, other than the smoke, which radar doesn't pick up on very well, just the fog and low clouds along the coast are going to stay there most of the day from about Newport south, but you should break out Newport north as you move into the afternoon. Afternoon planner, hot and hazy, temperatures up into the upper 90s by the time we get into your afternoon hours, going for a high of about 98 today. It wouldn't surprise me if there's a couple locations around the metro area do actually make it to 100. So if Portland can get to 98, that'd be a new record. The old record, 97, set back in 1958. Salem, 96, that's going to fall just shy of their record at 99. And I don't see a record coming for Astoria. The record's up at 90. All right, current air quality in the metro area in the moderate, but I did talk about that government camp. Anywhere up in the Cascades, that smoke is really starting to settle down from the upper levels of the atmosphere. Also out east of Bend and northeast Oregon and the Columbia Basin of southeast Washington still in the moderate category as well. Here's Friday, 6 p.m. A lot of smoke around, especially north side of the metro area up in Clark and Cowlitz County, extending out into Columbia County and then out along the coast and, of course, up into the Cascades as well. As we move forward into Saturday, boy, still hanging out in the northern end of the valley, right over the Portland metro area before we can start to clear things out. A closer look now. This is for this evening. Boy, it really settles in up across Clark County. A little bit better as you get south of Wilsonville, but everyone's going to see it. So our fire weather danger is still something that we're watching for central and northeast Oregon through Saturday. Dry and breezy conditions over there. And those smoky skies are going to remain throughout the weekend. It's also going to stay warm. So if you go out there, take a life vest. If you're jumping into the local area rivers, see those temperatures all there, mostly in the 60s on the area rivers. All right, temperature trend, boy, we're really going to see a change coming up next week. Going to go from the 90s today all the way down into the lower 70s, even a chance of some showers as we get later in the week, because this ridge of high pressure is going to slowly move off to the east. As we dip into Monday and Tuesday, trough of low pressure settles down over the area, bringing some fall-like conditions. Again, that's once we get to about Wednesday of next week, we could see some scattered showers. All right, so we got a weather alert day here in the Coin 6 Weather Center. Hot and hazy, we'll go 98. Still hot tomorrow, Jenny, going right around 90 for daytime high. We cool it slightly on Sunday. And then once we get into next week, much cooler conditions, even a chance of scattered showers once we get to Wednesday.
I'll just be glad to get rid of that smoky smell. My daughter got home last night and she was driving. She said, my car smells like smoke. And I went out and I'm like, no, it's just...
it's just everywhere.
The air. Yes. Yep. Okay, we'll be right back. Stick around.